Hello there and welcome to Arcadia. Chris Marcus here with you today, as always, on July 15th, 2014. And as you can see, when it rains it pours, and I thought this would be a great recreation of what the Fed is about to face if they actually follow through on their promise to stop the quantitative easing packages. They're going to want to get out of town just like that guy. Because if you thought it was a catastrophe when Alan Greenspan lowered interest rates to 1% and left them there for a year back in 2003 and 2004, well, it's certainly going to be fascinating to see what will happen if the Fed stops buying the bonds, because really, to be honest, nobody else seems to have figured out who's going to buy them if they don't. That's one of the normal problems associated with a hyperinflationary Ponzi scheme, which is basically what our dear friends from the Wolf of Wall Street, by the way, that's my new name for the Fed. I thought that was pretty clever myself. The Wolf of Wall Street, yes. They are the real Wolf of Wall Street, and they're about to get caught with their pants down, or their hand in the cookie jar, or wherever the wolf gets caught doing, in the chicken hen house, or... Anyway, it's about to blow up pretty spectacularly. In either case, really whether they slow down the money printing or not, if they slow it down, you saw what happened last time. You have a lot of debt that's funded on cheap interest rates. You raise rates, they don't have a place to roll it over, you have a housing crisis. Or you can keep printing and you just go straight into hyperinflation, which I still say is what they're most likely to do. But in either case, really your solution is that I know some people think that if the Fed slows down and the economy just melts down, that's going to be great for the dollar because the U.S. economy has imploded again. That did happen last time. Personally, I don't buy it, and if you're looking for the long term, they're printing dollars. That means they're going to go down in value, and the fact that the rest of the world hasn't realized this yet means you have a pretty amazing opportunity to dump them while you still can. That's certainly what I've done and will continue to do at any opportunity possible. So, just wanted to give you a heads up about the latest Fed nonsense, what they're saying they're going to do, and we'll see how it plays out. But certainly I feel pretty good owning gold and silver. I'd stay more than a 10-foot pole away from treasuries and dollars, and if you have any thoughts and comments, why don't you write them in below, and we'll see what questions are on your mind, and make sure you're prepared so that just because the emperor is walking around with no clothes doesn't mean that you have to be naked too. And I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you again soon.